Leading manufacturer of high-quality products. International renown for our diverse range of award-winning products. Fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology. All products have been designed with the professional in mind. Constantly modernizing our powerful devices to meet the demands of the modern user. Certainty starts here. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts are tested to rigorous standards and backed by GM so you and your vehicle can go the distance. Top reviews from the United States. Vented oil cap, just in case crankcase pressure gets too high to avoid engine damage to my car. This fits both a Chevy 2010 Equinox 2.4L, even though Amazon says it does not, it will screw in, and also fits a 2006 Chevrolet Cobalt SS SC. The cap will vent if crankcase pressure exceeds a couple of psi. In the case of a 2010 Equinox 2.4L, was important to me. If the PCV channel in the intake manifold of a 2.4L Ecotec engine gets blocked with crud in it, the surge in crankcase pressure can blow out the main rear seal of the engine, which has happened to many people if you do a Google search. You will have to decide if using a cap like this is right for you. It was for me, because if the PCV hole in the intake manifold gets clogged, I'd rather deal with oil sprayed around the engine compartment versus a blown main seal.